Okay, we've got a 2015 Triton, how to get the tail light off. So you're going to need a little 10mm spanner. So just over here, we've got a couple of bolts just over here. One there and one down there. So we undo them first. Come around the other side. Just show them. You're also going to need a large screwdriver and a rag. So these are the only two screws that hold it in, but it's still pretty tight to get off. But what the light does is actually comes off straight back. So you need, because there's a couple of plastic clips, just about one there and one there on the inside of the tail light. So what I do is get a little rag and just pull it back a little bit, create a bit of space there. It's a bit tight with finger, and just put your rag in there, get a screwdriver in there and just sort of lever it back. It just goes straight back. It's a little bit tight. Come straight back. Should come out. That's not playing the game at the moment. There we go, and then you pop it out. So I'll just show you the two plastic plugs there, one there, and then this little locator. So just come around the other side. So you can see the two plugs there, and they go in these two holes here, just there, one there and one there. And then you've got this little slide clip there, which goes in that slot there. So the reverse of that is just to line it up, so that little slot there goes in that hole there, and you have the light pretty well straight. So, and then you just push it forward, so those two plastic clips go in, clip in, and then you just put in just around the other side, and then we just put in the two screws. So a little bit tricky, so yeah, just be careful with it. So yeah, big screwdriver and a rag, and it just goes straight back. That's the trick to getting these off. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.